Hi there, it's Monday, March 23rd. It is day 4 of homeschooling and day 131 of our school year. I wanted to take some time and review what we have going on today. You have a new lesson plan. I printed these and put them in your packet on Wednesday, and I also have them uploaded in our Google Classroom if you would like to see it there. You're going to start your day off by doing your calendar, weather, and daily tally chart. This is all very similar to what we would normally do in our morning meeting each day. And then you're going to, just like we do in class, pick a job. We do this every Monday, and we keep our jobs for the week. So I want you to pick 2 jobs at home. So this could be emptying the dishwasher, sweeping the floors, cleaning the counter, putting laundry away, whatever those 2 things are that could help out around the house. And you're going to keep that until next Monday when we change jobs. Then you're going to move on to your spelling. We do have spelling words this week. They're words with the EA pattern in them. I have them uploaded online. I'll show you all of that in a minute. You're going to do a spelling activity that can come from either the March choice board, or there is a new list that I created that has 72 creative ways to practice your spelling. So whichever one you want to do, choose one and use your new spelling words of the week. Then you're going to move on to reading, and you're going to listen to Jan Brett's The Mermaid and write about your favorite part. So I have the link on our Google Classroom for that read aloud. And then the paper to fill out says The Mermaid at the top, and then there's a couple lines for you to write your favorite part using very good sentences. Then you're going to move on to your journal. So every Monday we write about our weekend, and we start it by saying, over the weekend, I want 6 sentences and a good picture where you're not like floating in space. And I want you to do 2 things. After you're done writing, I want you to read it to yourself. I have told you many, many times that whenever I'm writing something, I read it out loud and I always find a mistake. So before you share it with me, I want you to read it out loud to yourself. Then when you think it's perfect, you're going to go on to our Seesaw app, which is where you share things with me. And I'm the only one that can see them, so your classmates can't see anything. They can see your sentences and your conversations on our Google Classroom, but I can only see things on Seesaw. So you're going to do 2 things. You're going to post a picture of your journal so that I can actually see your writing and see your sentences. And then you're going to post a video of you reading your journal to me. So I'm going to see your journal and I'm going to hear your journal. So there's going to be 2 things that you're going to post to Seesaw today. Then you're going to move on to math, and you're going to pull out those fact triangles that you cut out last week and you stored them in a baggie or with a paper clip. And you're going to practice saying the fact families that go with each card. So you can either write down the fact families. You can do this in chalk outside. You can find a stick and do it in dirt or sand outside. But let's say your triangle has the numbers 5, 3, 2. Your 4 facts that go with that family, because every family will have 4 facts, is going to be 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 minus 3 is 2, 5 minus 2 is 3. See what I'm saying? So there should be 4 facts that go with each card, so you can write them out however you choose. Then you're going to do 2 pages in your math book, 140 and 141. And then last but not least, you're going to need your science packet that says PEEP Science. It is a science experiment that I put together for you because we would normally be doing more science experiments this week leading up to our science fair. And sadly, we're not doing that. So this is a science experiment that you can do with Peeps. If you don't have Peeps, maybe you have marshmallows and you can use marshmallows. But basically, you're going to put 3 Peeps into different liquids and see which liquid dissolves or gets rid of the Peep the fastest. So you have made hypothesis for tons of things that we've already done. So you know that means you're just making a guess. So you're just going to guess which liquid will make the PEEP dissolve the fastest. And that looks like this paper. It's in that PEEP packet, and you're talking about your hypothesis. What do you think is going to happen? So now I would like to show you a little bit of what we have going online. So we're mainly using Google Classroom, and we're using Seesaw. So let me show you a little bit about that. Hopefully you can see that. So this is our Google Classroom up here. The only two tabs that you ever really need to look at or touch are the stream and the classwork. Stream is basically what you're looking at here. So anybody can write, anybody can respond, the kids can talk to each other, can write to each other. They also will answer my questions of the day, which I need to do because I have to take attendance somehow by state law. So that's my way of taking attendance, is that you answer that question of the day. So if you look here, here's my one for Friday, March 20th. What is your favorite thing about learning from home? And then these are the comments of what everybody said. So this is an easy way for me to be able to take attendance. Then if you go to classwork, that's where all of the links are that you will need. So I'm gonna start putting my videos every day that I do here. So this is today's video. So that way you don't have to go through this entire stream to find my video for the day that explains our day. I just think it would be easier if it's in one place, so it'll be right here. This math game tutorial I won't take away because I really want you to be able to log on to our math games that go along with our curriculum, and that is the tutorial of how to do that. These are the lesson plans that we just reviewed. These are some tips. These are all of our logins. So your kids have a ton of ways that they can be learning. Raz is reading books online. These Go Noodle is great for brain breaks. Everyday Math, that is the games that they have access to. We don't usually have access to that, but they've given it to us, thankfully. Seesaw is how I see your kids work. This is how they listen to reading online. And then this is a Play-Doh recipe that we're going to do more with later. And then this is a really cute blog by our own Marcy. These are 3 experiential videos that happen every single day, Monday through Friday, which I happen to love. Here are your new spelling words for the week. Just click on that, and there they are, the EA pattern words. And then these are our high frequency words, words that we use often, or word wall words, we can call them too. Spelling, this is your choice board that you may or may not have at home already in your composition book. And then this is the 72 ways to practice your spelling words. This is new and super fun. There's math and there's reading. This is the mermaid that you're going to listen to today. Just click on the YouTube. And then this is things from Miss Jill. And this is Maria Elena. She would love for you to be practicing Spanish once a week. I think I was supposed to tell you that, so sorry. But if you could do that, it's on Duolingo. Yeah, Duolingo. Just pretend that you heard that already. So that's that. So I'm hoping that if I put my video like this one up in our classwork, it won't get lost in the stream. I'll put it on the stream too, but I feel like once the kids start writing, which I love that they're writing, it kind of gets pushed down to the bottom. Okay, so you've got your plan for the day. I am online every single day from 9 to noon. If you need me, that is a great time to get in touch with me, and just know that we're kind of figuring this out as we go. I did teach college for 4 years online, but this is way different. So I would like you to know that from a homeschooling perspective, if you were a homeschooler, they generally will do academics for 2 to 3 hours, depending on a student's age. So I don't want you to compare what you're doing to what we normally would have done in school. Like, I don't expect you to be doing 8 hours worth of academics. It's just not reasonable to expect. So make it work for you and let me know how I can be of help, and have a great day. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Oh, and I'm sending home report cards today via email. Okay, I think that's it. Sorry, it was 10 minutes. Oh, yikes. Bye.